tonight.
The attorney for the young men shot outside a Target in Osceola County last month is accusing the sheriff of twisting the narrative, even as the sheriff says he's trying to be fully transparent. Good evening, I'm Greg Warmoth.
And I'm Martha Sagowski. The number of questions still up in the air is creating an environment of he said, surveillance video isn't doing much to cut the speculation either. Nick Pampatonis joining us live in studio after speaking to a training expert who says this could have all been avoided, Nick.
The Police Chiefs Association encourages departments to put all their policies online for the public to see. It also sets out clear and consistent guidelines to follow about releasing or withholding information instead of trying to make a case as a situation unfolds.
We ask the questions. They should provide the answers.
Attorney Mark Nejane calling out Osceola County Sheriff Marcos Lopez for what he said was a cover-up operation, concealing information about what led to a deputy killing a 20-year-old and injuring 2 others after a theft of pizza and Pokemon cards from a Target in late April.
All of these were filed on the same day at the same time. Where are the original reports? These are 11 days old.
For weeks, the department stayed silent on all but the most basic details. Then Monday,
I never said I would not release information. What I did say is that I would not release information until investigation has been concluded.
the sheriff laid out every fact and document about what led up to the shooting and what happened after, but not the shooting itself. He also shared this video showing the young men's Audi ramming deputies' cars as it attempted to get away, and the gun that was found in the driver's lap.
In addition to the damage to the vehicles and the injuries to my detectives, the detective who was on foot was forced to jump out of the way and fear Mr. Biles was going to kill him.
Lopez's information left a few questions unanswered.
I think that's reasonable for the public to say, why didn't you apprehend those individuals prior to them getting in the car?
Bethune-Cookman University professor and police training expert Dr. Randy Nelson says a lot of the speculation could have been avoided. He encourages departments he trains to put all their policies online for the public to see.
This is our process. These are our procedures. And it's always here. You have any question, it's here. Because if you don't, then others are filling the narrative.
We asked for Osceola County's policies when it comes to petty theft investigations and car takedowns. Just to compare, Pinellas County puts theirs online. They changed it in 2002 to say deputies have a duty to stay out of the path of a vehicle by all reasonable means available. After the change, the number of deadly shootings was cut by half.
I think it's human nature to try to defend. But once again, law enforcement is held to a higher standard.
Deputies say the shooter was directly in front of the car when he opened fire. Now, we don't know if he had a chance to get himself to safety. Attorneys say one of the injured teens was shot in the back, the other shot in the hand. State law enforcement is investigating the incident to find out if any policies or laws were broken. Martha?